Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. Today my topic is the name of years. Let's start now. January,
Januari,
February,
Februari,
March,
Maret,
April,
April,
May,
Mei,
June,
Juni,
July,
Juli,
August,
Agustus,
September,
September,
October,
Oktober,
November,
November,
December.
December.
Thanks for watching friends, and I hope you understand.